This is the other 1830-92. You can see we've taken all the cylinders off. We've blasted them in the media blaster and then repainted them. Same with all of the fish rod tubes and just about everything. The dome. Restored the prop pitch control pulleys, arranging it down here. Blasted the exhaust stacks, put them on. And then we've done a lot of work back here in the accessories section. You can see the air oil separator here, or the vacuum pump, the air pump. That runs a lot of the de-icing on the leading edges of the wings and stuff. There's a magneto, starter, generator below it, another magneto, pressure injected carburetor, the intake. We've got a fire extinguisher, a line connected, and then this is the inlet air temperature. Got a hydraulic pump down here. We've got way down low the fuel pump, which is back in there. Here's the oil in and out. Way down there is the, and this is one of the lines here, is the vacuum pump. You can see the generator has a air inlet for cooling. See how big the oil line is going into the engine. That's a monster, a lot of oil. This is the line for the propeller pitch control oil going up to the nose of the engine. So we've had the mount blasted and painted by an outside company. This is the induction vibrator for starting, a shower of sparks, if you will, and then this is just a junction box for electrical. We've done a lot of work on this, and there's the exhaust stacks all coming together. There's still a little bit of work to do. It's sitting on a cradle here, weighs a little over 1,400 pounds, and we're getting there though. Eventually, this other engine over here will look the same as the one I just showed you.